1. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $20,000, located, Lawrence Township, New Jersey. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for enthusiasts seeking serious performance and proven track capability. Powered by a massive 468 cubic inch big block engine, this Nova delivers impressive horsepower through a carefully selected combination of performance components. The engine features high 13:1 compression, a Crane PowerMax solid lifter camshaft, MSD ignition system, and hooker headers, creating an aggressive and responsive power package suitable for competitive racing applications. The drivetrain includes a TH350 automatic transmission equipped with a reverse manual valve body and a high-performance 10-inch cone converter. Power is transferred through a durable 12-bolt positraction rear axle fitted with 4.56 gears and Moser axles, providing excellent traction and reliability under hard acceleration. Additional race-ready features include a 10-gallon fuel cell and a 6-point roll cage for added safety and compliance. The vehicle is offered with an open trailer, which may also be purchased separately. Combining classic Nova styling with proven drag racing components, this Chevrolet represents an excellent opportunity for racers looking for a competitive and well-equipped track car ready for its next owner. 2. 1986 Chevrolet S10 Pickup. Price, $32,500, located, Ostrander, Ohio. This 1986 Chevrolet S10 Pickup is a highly modified performance truck built to deliver impressive power and reliability. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the vehicle presents a clean and aggressive appearance that reflects the extensive work invested in its construction. Under the hood is a powerful 6.0-liter Chevrolet engine paired with a large 80mm turbocharger, creating a combination capable of producing outstanding horsepower and strong acceleration. The truck is configured to operate on E85 fuel and features a flex fuel sensor that allows additional fueling flexibility. The automatic transmission provides smooth and consistent power delivery, making the vehicle suitable for both street driving and competitive performance applications. According to the seller, the truck remains in excellent condition and has been carefully maintained throughout its ownership. With its turbocharged power plant, modern fuel system upgrades, and eye-catching appearance, the Chevrolet S10 stands out from ordinary pickups. It offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a unique high-performance truck that combines classic compact pickup styling with modern horsepower and dependable operation. 3. 1970 Plymouth Duster. Price, $35,000, located, Allegan, Michigan. This 1970 Plymouth Duster is a serious muscle car that has been extensively upgraded with high-performance components throughout. Finished in green with a black interior, the vehicle combines classic Mopar styling with exceptional drag racing and street performance potential. Power comes from a massive 535 cubic inch big block engine featuring Indy cylinder heads, Indy intake manifold, roller valve train components, scat rotating assembly, ARP hardware, and a high-flow 1050 CFM Holley carburetor. The drivetrain includes a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission equipped with a manual reverse pattern valve body, trans brake, and a high-stall performance converter. A fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle with ladder bar suspension ensures excellent durability and traction. Additional upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes, front coilover suspension, and rack and pinion steering for improved handling and control. Built with many new components during 2025, this Duster represents a substantial investment in performance and reliability. Combining classic Mopar heritage with modern racing technology, it offers an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and professionally assembled muscle car. 4. 1991 Chevrolet S10. Price, $24,000, located, Orland Park, Illinois. This 1991 Chevrolet S10 is a turnkey drag racing vehicle designed for racers who want a proven combination capable of delivering competitive results immediately. Powered by a strong 434 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, the truck features high-quality cylinder heads, APD carburation, vacuum pump system, alternator, and premium valve train components engineered for dependable high-performance operation. The drivetrain includes a professionally prepared Powerglide transmission housed in a Denver case and paired with a performance torque converter. Power is delivered through a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 35 spline axles and spool assembly for maximum durability. The suspension utilizes ladder bars and upgraded rear shocks to provide consistent launches and predictable handling on the racetrack. The truck has recorded impressive performance numbers and is fully prepared for competitive racing. Additional equipment includes a delay box system, race documentation, truck cover, pit accessories, battery, and racing hardware. With a title in hand and race-ready condition, this Chevrolet S10 offers exceptional value for racers seeking a complete and competitive package. 5. 1986 Ford Mustang GT Hatchback. Price, $25,000, located, New Milford, Connecticut. This 1986 Ford Mustang GT hatchback is an exceptionally clean Pro Street build that combines classic Fox body styling with extensive performance upgrades. Finished in brown with a black interior, the vehicle has reportedly been garage-kept since completion and protected from harsh weather conditions throughout its life. The result is a remarkably well-preserved example that remains impressive both mechanically and cosmetically. Power comes from a professionally built 331 cubic inch stroker engine producing approximately 405 horsepower. The engine is paired with a world-class T5 manual transmission, providing an engaging and responsive driving experience. The chassis features a full frame, full roll cage, tubular K-member, upgraded control arms, coilover suspension, and a narrowed rear axle assembly. The rear quarters were professionally modified to accommodate wider tires, creating an aggressive Pro Street stance. Despite its extensive performance modifications, the vehicle retains practical features such as heat, power windows, and a radio. This Mustang GT represents an outstanding blend of show-quality presentation, street usability, and serious performance capability. 6. 1982 Chevrolet Chevette. Price, $15,000, located, Enfield, Connecticut. This 1982 Chevrolet Chevette has been transformed from a compact economy car into a dedicated drag racing machine designed to deliver exciting track performance. Built specifically for competition use, the vehicle incorporates numerous racing upgrades while maintaining the lightweight characteristics that make the Chevette a popular choice among drag racing enthusiasts. The car is powered by a performance engine sourced from a respected racing builder and is paired with a B&M automatic transmission engineered to withstand repeated high-performance launches. A professionally installed 4-link rear suspension system helps maximize traction and stability, allowing the vehicle to efficiently transfer power to the track surface. Additional race-focused equipment includes a 12-point roll cage, fuel cell, and nitrous oxide system for increased horsepower when needed. The lightweight construction of the Chevette provides an excellent platform for competitive drag racing, and the extensive modifications make it suitable for a variety of racing classes. Combining simplicity, proven racing components, and strong performance potential, this Chevrolet Chevette offers an affordable and exciting opportunity for motorsports enthusiasts seeking a unique race vehicle. 7. 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air Drag Race Car. Price, $46,500, located, Spencer, Massachusetts. This 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air drag race car is a professionally built all-steel racing machine designed for consistent and competitive performance. Featured in Super Chevy magazine for 2 consecutive years, this Bel Air has earned recognition for both its craftsmanship and proven track record. The vehicle is fully sorted and ready to race, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey drag car. Power comes from a formidable 565 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Reed Supercase Powerglide transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a Dana 60 rear axle equipped with 4.88 gears and Mark Williams 35 spline axles, providing exceptional durability under demanding racing conditions. Additional performance equipment includes a Holley Ultra Dominator 1050 carburetor, MSD7AL ignition system with 3-step control, starter saver, boxed frame construction, and custom-built headers. The car has previously run in the 9-second range but has been detuned to produce highly consistent 10-second passes. Combining proven performance, extensive upgrades, and magazine-featured status, this Chevrolet Bel Air represents an outstanding opportunity for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 8. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Car. Price, $7,500, located, New Enterprise, Pennsylvania. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle drag car offers an excellent foundation for racers looking to build or complete a competitive bracket racing vehicle. Previously capable of low 10-second performance, the car has been purpose-built for drag racing and remains a strong platform for future development. As a roller, it provides flexibility for the next owner to install a preferred engine and transmission combination. The chassis is configured for a 383-stroker engine and turbo 400 transmission setup and includes many valuable racing components. Features include a fully welded roll cage, front disc brakes, a durable 12-bolt rear axle, posi-traction locker, chromoly axles, C-clip eliminators, driveshaft, and race-ready suspension components. The vehicle also rides on quality drag slicks that remain in usable condition. Built strictly as a race car, the Chevelle does not include a title and is intended for track use only. Its lightweight design, proven racing history, and extensive chassis upgrades make it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking an affordable and capable drag racing project. 9. 1985 Chevrolet S10. Price, $22,000, located, Erie, Michigan. This 1985 Chevrolet S10 is a well-developed drag racing truck that combines proven performance with numerous recent upgrades. Built around a powerful 387 cubic inch stroker engine prepared by Badman Racing Engines, the vehicle has only a limited number of passes since its fresh rebuild. The engine is equipped with a race carburetor running on alcohol fuel, belt-driven fuel system, vacuum pump, and nitrous oxide system for additional performance potential. Power is transferred through a professionally built Powerglide transmission and a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring a Moser spool, upgraded gears, and Moser axles. The suspension includes QA1 components throughout and Caltrax traction bars at the rear to maximize launch consistency and stability. Recent upgrades also include new wiring, driveshaft, wheels, tires, and safety equipment. The truck is configured for both top bulb and bottom bulb competition and includes a delay box, dial board, and additional race electronics. Combining reliability, extensive upgrades, and proven racing capability, this Chevrolet S10 is an excellent turnkey option for serious bracket racers. 10. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Bracket Drag Car. Price, $30,000, located, Salina, Kansas. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Bracket Drag Car is a clean and professionally maintained race vehicle with a long history of competitive performance. Owned and campaigned by the same racer for many years, the car has earned a reputation for consistency, reliability, and dependable operation at the racetrack. Its well-sorted combination makes it an attractive choice for racers seeking a proven bracket racing package. The vehicle is capable of producing consistent elapsed times in the mid-10-second range, making it suitable for a variety of racing classes and competitive events. Extensive maintenance and regular updates have helped preserve the car's condition, resulting in a race-ready machine that requires little preparation before heading to the track. The chassis, drivetrain, and supporting systems have been carefully maintained to ensure dependable performance throughout each racing season. With its strong reputation, clean presentation, and established racing history, this 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to acquire a reliable bracket racer with proven track credentials and classic Chevrolet muscle car styling. 11. 1973 Chevrolet Corvette. Price, $25,000, located, Tulsa, Oklahoma. This 1973 Chevrolet Corvette is a purpose-built super gas and bracket racing machine that combines iconic Corvette styling with serious track performance. Finished in blue with a black interior, the vehicle has been extensively modified to compete at a high level while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of the third-generation Corvette. Built for racers seeking a competitive and proven combination, this car delivers impressive performance numbers and race-ready equipment throughout. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 522 cubic inch engine equipped with a dry sump oiling system, Jezel belt drive, and high-performance Brodix cylinder heads. The engine has reportedly produced approximately 913 horsepower, providing exceptional acceleration and top-end performance. Supporting the powertrain is a full roll cage, four-wheel disc brakes, AFCO coilover suspension at both front and rear, and an onboard fire suppression system for added safety. With a race weight of approximately 2,670 pounds including the driver, the car has recorded a best performance of 9.06 seconds at 148 miles per hour. This Corvette offers a rare combination of proven racing capability, extensive upgrades, and legendary Chevrolet performance heritage. 12. 1978 Dodge Aspen Super Coupe. Price, $32,000, located, Boonton, New Jersey. This 1978 Dodge Aspen Super Coupe is a rare and highly desirable Mopar that represents one of only a limited number of Super Coupe models produced during the model year. Originally delivered in California, this exceptionally clean and rust-free example has been carefully preserved and tastefully upgraded to enhance both performance and drivability. Finished in brown with a tan interior, the vehicle presents beautifully and retains its classic late 70s muscle car character. The car has been upgraded with a Holley Sniper fuel injection system, overdrive automatic transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, performance steering improvements, and a Sure Grip rear differential equipped with 3.55 gears. Modern comfort features include a vintage air climate control system that provides cold air conditioning and reliable heating. A Challenger T/a style side exit dual exhaust system further enhances the vehicle's appearance and sound. Included with the sale are extensive records, the original window sticker, factory books, dealer paperwork, and many original components. Combining rarity, documentation, comfort, and performance, this Dodge Aspen Super Coupe is an outstanding collector quality example ready to be enjoyed.